Okay, now if I talk about the difference between the other programming languages and Python, so it is more user friendly. Most popular language being used widely across the industry these days, and one of the like most preferable language because of its flexibility and because of the performance and these things. It is like mostly preferred language, and that's the reason. But if you go for any particular role these days, so although they might ask you that, okay, if you know Java, if you know .NET, if you know any other language, it's good. But if Python is an add-on advantage for you to have this, because these days you are mostly you are working with data, you are working with lot of other big sizes of CSV file and these things. And Python has a great capabilities and great modules which allows you to work with those large sets of data very easily, as well as you can write the scripts also in a very easy manner. So it is more stable, and in terms of performance it is like good in the execution and those things for your code.